Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I actually made this kind of like games console inspired squishy. It was really easy to make and I think it came out quite effective. It's the perfect size to kind of hold in your hands and give a good squish to. It's really airy. Like, can you hear that? Just with like the slightest touch, that is just so airy and kind of soft and slow rising, and I just love it. It's glittery all over. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but I'll move it slowly here so hopefully the camera will pick that up. But anyway, if you'd like to see how I made this, then just keep on watching and I will squish it at the end for you like I do in all of my squishy DIY videos. So to start off with, I took a block of memory foam that was actually 2 inches thick. I got this piece from Amazon and I just took a kind of off-cut piece that I had, which was kind of already in the shape of a game controller. But I just went ahead with my red Sharpie pen as usual and drew out the rough shape that I wanted to create. I then cut this out very loosely, and then with my scissors I just went in and rounded out all of the angles. So I rounded out all of the edges around the bit where like you hold on to begin with, making them nice and round and smooth, and then I did the same with the rest of the body of the controller. Now, I didn't do a great job at this. I thought I did alright until I painted it, so you have to excuse the lumpy bumpiness of it, but yeah, that's what I went ahead and did. I then popped it onto a little skewer. This is just a metal one, like for like barbecuing and everything, and this is one that I use over and over, so I don't have to waste like wooden sticks or anything. It's just a really great way to hold the squishy and be able to paint every single side of it without getting all over your hands and having to wait for like one side to dry and then the other side and so on. It's a really great tip to use if you are painting a lot of squishies at once or are doing bigger ones like this. So anyway, once I had the layers of pink on, I then went ahead and painted on the design. If you're wondering how many layers of pink I put on total on this one, I did 4. So I left like 1 layer dry completely, then did another one, then left that to dry and did another one, and I did that 4 times until I had a nice solid base. I then went in with a light blue and a light lilac colour and just painted on the little details. So I did like the little analog sticks, the little kind of like keypad, the little buttons on the sides, and I just basically went to town with the decoration. If you're making this, you could put on whatever decoration you want to. I based this kind of off an Xbox controller, as we are Xbox people in this house and love Xboxing, and I used to have a pink controller like this for my Xbox when I used to play Sims with my sister, which is crazy. So yeah, that's why I kind of really like this squishy. But anyway, I went ahead and added some gold metallic onto it also, just to add a little bit of extra kawaii-ness, because I figured it just needed something a little bit shiny on there. And also I then decided to put on some glitter. So I actually took the tulip diamond glitter. This is my favorite one at the moment. It's so beautiful and iridescent, and I just put a coating of that all over the squishy and left it to dry, and then my squishy was then complete. Okay, so once all the paint and everything like that had completely dried, this is what it turned out like. Now, I'm unsure if you could see this on camera or not, but hopefully you can. There is glitter all over it, and it's so pretty in person. Like, it's a really nice kind of iridescent colour. There's like purple, green, orange, yellow little bits in that. It's just so gorgeous. I just wish that you could see it better. Like, hopefully you can see it on the corner there a little bit, but it's like that all over. I love the little gold kind of detailing that I put on. I think it just makes it look so much more cuter than it actually is. And yeah, there it is. I feel like I could have definitely improved on the shaping a little bit there. I didn't realise until I covered it in paint that it was still a little bit lumpy bumpy, but the squishiness of this is absolutely lovely. Like, look at that. Hear that air. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Honestly, I just love it. It's so chunky in your hand, like you're playing a proper console. Like, wish these little analog bits were like. But anyway, I absolutely love it. I've also put the triggers on, so I've got like this trigger, this one, and then these bottom ones as well, just in case you're playing Sims, need to turn it around a little bit. Well, that's what I used to do on my Xbox. But yeah, this is what the squishy turned out like. It squishes really nicely. Just takes 2 hands to do it, and just look at this. Oh, I love it. Love it so much. Not only is it super cute, it's super good at squishing too, so what's not to love about that? Absolutely love the colours I used on this. I was going to put a face on it, but then I figured this one doesn't need a face. This one can hold itself and it's just fine as it is without a face. So yeah, that's probably like the only video in a long while that I'm going to do without a face. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you the day after next for another video. Bye!